Everyone dreams of owning a home, but how do you know when you're really ready? Buying a house is a big deal. You don't want to rush it, but you also don't want to wait too long and miss out. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 signs that tell you you're ready to buy a home. And trust me, you don't want to ignore number 3. It could save you thousands. Sign number 1. You have a stable income. Owning a home comes with monthly mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance costs. If your income is steady and reliable, that's a big green flag that you're ready. How to know. You've been at your job for at least 2 years. Your income is consistent and growing. Sign number 2, you have enough savings. Buying a home isn't just about affording the monthly payment. You need upfront cash for the down payment, closing costs, and an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. How to know. You have at least 3 to 6 months of expenses saved up after buying your home. You can cover all closing costs without stressing. Sign number 3. Your credit score is solid. Don't ignore this. This one is huge. Your credit score affects your mortgage rate, and a small difference can mean paying thousands more over the life of your loan. How to know. Your credit score is above 650 plus. Higher equals better. You've paid off debt and have a good credit history. Sign number 4. You're ready to stay put. If you're buying a home, it's best to plan on staying for at least 3 to 5 years. If you're still unsure about your job, relationship, or location, renting might be a better move for now. How to know. You love your area and don't plan on moving soon. Your job and lifestyle are stable. Sign number 5. You understand the market. You don't need to be an expert, but knowing what homes cost in your area, how interest rates work, and what to expect in the process will help you avoid costly mistakes. How to know. You've researched the market and know what homes cost. You've talked to a real estate agent for expert advice. Hint, that's me. So be honest. How many of these signs do you check off? If you're still unsure, let's chat. I'll help you figure out if now is the right time for you to buy. Drop a comment below if you're thinking about buying soon, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insider home buying tips.